guys, we have the Sweet Caroline. Oh, sorry, it's backwards. We just got Carolines in and they are insanely gorgeous. The prints are beautiful. The fabrics feel amazing. They're mostly kind of a sweatery feel. There are some that are kind of a thinner rayon feel and some that are ribbed, stretchy rayon. And I just wanted to show you how they fit. I am typically an extra large top, so I put on an extra large first to show you. I have room in my arms. It's nice and long in the rear. It can cover up here. If you wear a shorter top with leggings, you should be in the clear. I didn't mean to rhyme. So this is an extra large on me. I'm going to show you what the large looks like because I typically recommend going one size down to get that perfect fit that you're going to love. 3X and 2X, you typically can stay right around your true size. That way you can make sure the arms fit just right, and especially if you're taller, that you have a good length. So this is the large on me. It's a little more trim in the chest. It's more fitted in the arms for sure. Oh, let me cover my rear. The extra large definitely has more room in the arms. I could wear like long sleeve shirts under it or something like that. So this is the large. It just gives like a slightly more tailored look under the arms and down my bust. So that's the difference in the large and extra large. And I'll show you one more. I'm doing a little bit of pattern mixing for you guys to try out. See, this one's purple and white. So stinking cute. So I went with a bright, happy print with lots of purple in it. This one doesn't 100% match, but I just thought it was so cute together. The hot pink and all the bright colors. So a stripe with a floral. Simple pattern mixing if you want to give it a try. Let me know if you need help and I'll be happy to pair some pieces up for you. But the Caroline is beyond sweet. They are so dang cute. They're a crop cardigan. If you know our LuLaRoe Sarah, they're just a crop version of it. You can get your typical Sarah size, and they're not the stretchiest. So sometimes in the stretchiest Sarahs, you can go down like 2 or 3 sizes. I would stay maybe going down 1 size in these. And like I said, 2X and 3X, a lot of times you want to stay true to your size since we don't have a 1X between extra large and 2XL. I hope that makes sense. And please feel free to message me if you have questions. I'm always here to help. I am Jamie Neff of LuLaRoe Jamie Neff. And make sure to check out our website, www.jamieneff.com. It's just my name, JAMIENEF. You can sign up for text alerts. You can get on our email list. And make sure you know about all the new stuff coming in. And you can check out my online boutique at any time. Even 4 in the morning. Even when I'm asleep and I can't answer you, you can shop. And you can take screenshots, ask me questions, and all kinds of things like that. So let me know if you need anything. I hope you snag a Caroline cardigan. I almost called it a Sarah. A Caroline cardigan and stock your closet, not with that piece of fuzz, with these adorable, adorable layers. Love them.